Doctor, please share your valuable input regarding offline education for the preschool children on this COVID-19 situation.
So the pandemic COVID-19 has created a situation wherein children cannot come to the school. I think this year the whole education system will get disrupted, and many people are talking about online teaching. But for small children, online teaching is not recommendable. Now, EuroKids have planned to start offline training for the children. Dear parents, they will send you the recorded programs, recorded activities for the children to do. You can use this material to teach your children, and time and duration you can choose. There is no compulsion that child has to sit for longer time to see these activity programs. So every child has to progress in 5 areas. One is the physical growth, second one is the intellectual growth, and the third one is emotional growth, fourth one is the social growth, and the last one is ethical growth. So this content of the training program will include all these areas. At home, children can play, do certain activities, and to improve their physical growth. Let them play, let them jump, let them run, and let them be free to do these physical activities. The intellectual activities, naturally, the children at nursery level, they have to learn to identify common objects, their uses, and also learn information to their level. And this program is going to give them enough material, information about the body, information about the environment, information about various objects they see in and around, how to use them, all those issues. The emotional issues, I think you are the best people to give the emotional support, make the child to be happy, and to control his anger, to control his sadness, to control his fears. Then social growth, actually in school, children learn a lot about social interaction. They know how to talk to other children, play with other children, cooperate with other children, and then all the social communication and interaction they learn in the school. But unfortunately, now they can't come to the school. This you have to arrange in your own house. Invite other children from neighborhood and let the child interact with those children, whether younger ones or older ones. Of course, ethical, now at this stage, we will not bother much about ethical issues because they will learn it at a later date. So the program you are going to get, you can use it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, make the child to sit and do the activity, and you have to supervise. Because on the screen you will see the visual images as well as auditory information. See that the child understands these information, audio-visual information, and make the child to repeat it and see whether the child can repeat it properly and can learn the information. So you become the teacher at home and then teach your child, train your child. And then you can contact EuroKids teachers and management people, whether you are doing it properly or not. You can give a feedback to them so that they can correct if you are not using the material in a proper manner. Because any information, unless it is used appropriately, it may not be very fruitful. It may not be very effective. So in this way, this offline training or teaching is very useful. Online training programs because child has to sit at a particular time, then stay for more than 45 minutes or 1 hour or even longer, and child has to look at the screen, and many children are restless. They can't concentrate, small children. So whereas offline training, so you can switch it off when you see the child not attentive and use it again. So in this way you are free to use the material given to you at your own convenience and at the convenience of the children, and get best out of the program. I hope that you understand these issues and then get involved in this offline training program as scheduled by HeroKids people, and let your children get the right information and do the right activity so that their growth is not hampered because of this COVID-19 pandemic, which has made impossible to conduct the classes. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.